Rasulullah once said to his companions, كيف بكم إذا فسدت نساؤكم وفسق شبابكم. What will be your condition when your women become corrupt and your youth becomes sinful? وَلَمْ تَأْمُرُوا بِالْمَعْرُوفِ وَلَمْ تَنْهَوْا عَنِ الْمُنْكَرِ. Rasulullah says, what will be your condition when your women become corrupt and your youth becomes sinful, and you abstain from enjoining good and forbidding evil? The Sahaba, they say, وَيَكُونُ ذَلِكَ يَا رَسُولَ اللَّهِ. Is that really going to happen? We're going to get to that state? Rasulullah says, نعم. كيف بكم إذا نهيتم عن المعروف وأمرتم بالمنكر. What will be your condition when you enjoin evil and you forbid what is good? The Sahaba, again, they're astonished. وَيَكُونُ ذَلِكَ يَا رَسُولَ اللَّهِ. Ya Rasulullah, is that really going to happen? Rasulullah, listen to this, brothers and sisters. He says, نَعَمْ وَشَرٌ مِّن ذَلِكَ. That will happen, and even worse will take place. كَيْفَ بِكُمْ إِذَا رَأَيْتُمُ الْمَعْرُوفَ مُنْكَرًا وَالْمُنْكَرَ مَعْرُوفًا. What will be your condition when you perceive virtue as vice and vice as virtue? Meaning what? The dhulm that Rasulullah is speaking about is what type of dhulm? It's the oppression whereby your entire moral standard is upside down. What you think is good is actually evil, and what you think is evil is actually good. When the 12th Imam reappears, in order for you to guarantee that you will be his supporter, you will have to know what is ma'roof and know what is munkar. And how do you know what is ma'roof and what is munkar? What is good and what is bad? What is virtue and what is vice? You have to be familiar with the ethics of the Quran. You have to develop a strong relationship with the Quran. The Quran has to be your moral compass. The Quran has to be your code of ethics, because the Imam is going to revive the ethics of the Quran.